Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a super cute little dainty Swarovski crystal starfish choker. That's a total mouthful, but basically I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn a super cute little Swarovski starfish charm into a cute little necklace. I'm calling it a choker even though it's not really a choker, but the chain is pretty short. So I just have this chain. I'm sorry I don't know the size of it because I didn't get it off of a package. I just found it in a bag of the jewelry stuff. Like we just have a tote full of jewelry stuff. So I'm sorry I don't know the exact size of this, but it's probably 3 millimeters or a bit smaller than that. And it is 19 inches long. And then there is the Swarovski crystal starfish. It's kind of a purple color. And then I have a lobster clasp and a jump ring. And then one of these pieces for the end. I don't know exactly what that is called. But yeah, I've got one of those, and then I just have some jewelry pliers here. You may need 2 more jump rings, just depending on the chain you use. So depending on the chain you use, if you use a thicker chain and you cannot open up these links, you might need a jump ring to attach the end pieces. But I'm just going to open up these links to put the end pieces on there. Actually, is what I might do first is do the starfish first. So I'm just going to take my jump ring and open that up. So we're going to open up our jump ring and put our starfish on there and then close our jump ring up. Okay, so now we've got that done. I'm going to open these jump rings up and put the lobster clasp on there. And then I'm going to put the chain on there. The last chain link on there, and then I'm going to close up this jump ring. Now, before I put the other end of the closure on, I'm going to put the starfish onto the chain. I just put the chain through the jump ring. Now I'm going to open up this jump ring and put the little end bit on there. And then I'm going to put that last chain link on there. Close that jump ring up. Now I'm going to go to the ends here and attach my lobster clasp to that, and there we go. Now we have this super cute, dainty little starfish necklace using a Swarovski starfish. By the way, I got this starfish in the little free gift pack from Fire Mountain Gems. I did a haul video for that, and if you want to watch that video, it'll be linked in the iCard up here. Other than that, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.